Hi, this is Mrs. Pedersen. I am pre-calculus teacher for hours 1 and 2. I'm going to go through a little bit about our Schoology page and how this year is going to look for our class. So this is our main page. We have a current folder. In this first folder called Office Hours / Google Meets, this is where my students can virtually ask math questions of me in the afternoons. The second folder is where students can take daily attendance. It'll be just a quick question, and they need to report by 3 o'clock that day on a Google form. This first week, week 1, September 8th through the 11th, is where the students can find their assignments and notes and videos. So if we look at this first link, this is P1 algebraic expressions for pre-calculus. I have notes set up here, P1. It's able for students to download them to Notability and then write on them. And then I have a video that goes along with those notes on orders of operations. And then after they've completed those notes and watched the video, they can complete this assignment P1. After they complete the assignment, they can check their answers with my answer key. If they're having difficulty, they're welcome to email me, or we can do a Google Meet. Or if I get to see the students in class on those hybrid days, then I can help them with their math assignment questions then. Once they complete that assignment, they should submit it to Schoology to be graded. The folders are by week. So this would be then Wednesday, having the same material, Thursday, and then Friday. So there are our 6 weeks that we have for Try 1-1. Back on the home page, I also have the resource folder where their textbook is, the syllabus, some helpful apps to download. And then the last folder is our completed folder. This is where a week by week will go once we complete 1 week at a time. The other thing I want to show you is our presentation. This is our schedule for my classes. So pre-calculus is 8:35 to 9:50 for first hour. My second hour runs 10 to 11:15. My third hour, which is IB Applications Year 2, is 11:20 to 12:55. And then our lunch time for third hour is 12:55 to 1:25. So these will be some of the things that I will go through in my in-class days for my students. A little bit about myself. This is my 24th year of teaching. I do live in Woodbury with my husband, Chad, and our 3 kids. Our oldest son is Blake. He's 13. Our middle child, Alexis, and then our youngest is Reagan, and they are in the Spanish immersion program. My husband and I like to go up to our cabin on the weekends and head out on our boat. The kids love to tube and swim. I did graduate from UMD and St. Mary's, and I'm also a Park alumni. Just to share a little bit about me, this is my husband and our 3 kids, so you can kind of get to know my family a bit. What's expected? Students in hybrid will also be mixed with my VLA students. Each day we'll have a lesson posted in the morning. So let's say my students are at home for the day and they won't be in school present. They will have a lesson to do each day along with an assignment. Each day it's expected that our students to be working about 90 minutes per class and to have about 4.5 to 5 hours of learning. My office hours are going to be a little different than maybe some of the teachers in our district because I am part-time. So my office hours are going to be after third hour. I will be posting my Google Meets links for my office hours in Schoology. If students are looking to work with me in the afternoon, I just like them to email me before 1 p.m. just so I can send out, if it's just a one student, a personal Google Meet link, or if it's a group of students. And then my office hours will start at 1:15 and go till 2 o'clock. Attendance, we talked about that on my Schoology site. Students do need to take attendance via Schoology, and it has to be submitted by 3 p.m. We do have Flex Fridays. These are the hours for Flex Fridays, starting with advisory and then running periods 1 through 3. So they will be learning on Fridays. This is the schedule for looking ahead. So when we look at Tuesday, if my students are not presently in school that day, they still will be learning online through my Schoology page. I'm really excited about this year, getting to know all of your students. Feel free to email me or call me if you have any questions. Bye-bye.